Hi everyone, I came to one of the most beautiful national parks in Turkey. It's Abant Lake. It's in Bolu city. It's only 4 hours from Istanbul. On the way to Trabzon, we wanted to rest. So we're gonna eat something here and chill, maybe hike a little bit. And then we're gonna keep heading to Trabzon.
Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes.
I'm going to prepare my food if I have a chance from the bees. Bees are everywhere. And I'm also a little bit scared of bees, right? So that's why I'm overreacting. They must be really hungry. So I have to be really fast. Cheese, ham, turkey ham, and bread. Well, bread is not that fresh, but it's acceptable. It's okay. It's going to be a really nice lunch, I think. Let me give her cheese. Beğendin mi yeri?
Güzel ama biraz serin. Havalar sıcak olduğuna karşı bayağı bir serin. Yemek yerken çok zorluklar çektik. Arılardan sebep.
Sence insanlar ziyaret etsin mi burayı?
Bence etsinler.
Değer diyorsun yani.
Değer. Havası, oksijen çok güzel.
Burada yaşamak ister miydin?
Ev pek yok çevrede. Onun için yaşayamam.
Feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink so I don't get it. I must be high but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk, I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table, I really trust my senses.
She's my mom. Her name is Arzu. Arzu, say hi.
Merhaba.
Right now my mom is going to talk about Abant, okay? But she's going to tell you things in Turkish and I'm going to translate.
Abant havası çok güzel. Oksijeni bol. Hava biraz serin. Yaz olduğu yani havalar sıcak olduğunu karşı bayağı bir soğuk, üşüdük biz. Bu kadar.
So right now it's time to go. We are heading to Trabzon and we have 8 more hours to drive. Yeah, wish me good luck.